Alright, guys. So we got Miss Bubbles here. And still no name. I don't know. But I wanted to show you guys some stuff here. We got some updates. I just couldn't hold off on showing you. So we still got these 2 eggs, which I don't know. I think they might have abandoned that nest, guys. I'm not really sure. They kind of. Oh, these guys are. Let me feed these guys quick. They're waiting on me. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. See how long it takes them to clean up all of this, guys. Alright, so the update. Those eggs, just showed you. Don't know. I don't know. They keep getting buried in the sawdust, so I don't know if they're taking care of them or not. So those are could be's. Okay. Let's hope we get there. What's in here? Is this one? Okay, I don't think that one had anything in it, but yeah, these two little guys, the rascals. I'm pretty sure I put bands on there. I should be on the right foot. Ooh, look at how nice you are. Yeah. Now very, ooh, chatter. Can I check out your legs? Did I band you guys? Oh yeah. I got the bands on those guys. And then Mr. Red, Mr. Old German Owl, and one of these wild ones had one little baby hatch. I don't know if the other one's going to or not. It's kind of cold. I should probably hurry this up. Okay, so we got one little baby hatched out there. Got those 2 guys. Oh yeah, there's 2 eggs in there. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. What else do we have? We got the 2 eggs in here. So, oh, these ones had that. Oh yeah, these ones yesterday, guys. So I come in here and one had his egg stuck on his head. So he was just kind of wobbling around with an egg stuck on his head. It looked kind of funny, like a cartoon. So there's 2 babies. That's 3 babies. What we got up here? Okay, 2 more eggs. There's an egg. These guys are all done. Alright, it's gonna get crazy. I know. Hold on. I just want to come in real quick, guys. Sorry, I don't mean to scare everybody around. I'll be gentle. Okay, we got 2 eggs there. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, I think. Something like that. Oh, these guys hatched. Oh, 2 more babies. They just don't like being around me at all. There's a little surprise here I want to show you guys. So that guy got banned. There was 2 in there, but I don't know whatever happened to the other one. He just disappeared. But check those little guys out. Oh, so cute. Oh, there's some more. Check this out. Those guys are a little older. There's 2 more there. Just a regular old pigeon factory now. Yeah, he actually come out. Actually, the other one must be flying around with the rest of them. Oh shoot, there's 2 more. Check that out. 2 more little guys. Those guys are pretty big. And there's 2 eggs up here. And there was... Oh man, what happened to them? Oh man. There was 2 eggs down here on the floor. Which are actually... Oh man, that sucks. It was my... I got a wild pigeon that's got like every color on him, that red, brown, or reddish brown color, and then... Yeah. Anyways, alright. So this is what I want to show you guys. So Miss Bubble has been hard at work. I didn't notice this. She was sitting in here yesterday. And I was like, what is she doing in there? I'm going to take a little count. There was 13 in there yesterday. So what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 14. No. So she laid 1 extra. So we'll have 14 little call ducks, hopefully. I don't mess with them too much and make her mad. keep them covered up. It's kind of warm today, so they should be good. I was curious what happened with those eggs on the floor. I don't know if they'd be the mice, so I'm almost positive. I know I had mice problems. A mouse problem. I'll show you guys something real quick. Is she in here? Oh, there it goes. Oh. This is the container that we got the mice. Or the mice. Yeah, might as well. This is the container I got the water on for the water. There's a mouse nest in there too. Dang mice. So there's a little hole in there. Anybody home? If I scream like a girl, don't mind me. No, nothing in there, so cause her a little bit of havoc, see what she does. Yeah, I've noticed her a few times now, so. But yeah, alright guys, so 14 eggs, what do we have? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got like 9 babies and a bunch of eggs. Yeah, we're styling. Yeah, all kinds of cool little babies soon. Eggshell here. I think that might have been the one that I took off from. It said one of their heads. Alright. Oh, we have his mama we're gonna bring back in here. She's doing good now. I pulled them out. Her and her mate are a little bit older, and I think they were just getting picked on. I don't really know, but he ended up passing away. Damn goats ended up killing him, actually. I don't really know what the deal was. She's been in there with him forever and never had a problem with him, but for some reason they got him by his tail and stomped him down and chewed him up. So it was kind of weird. So yeah, hate to leave you guys on that note, but I have more chores to do, so. Alright, till next time, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. Always helps me out. And you'll see more updates on these little guys, see what they start looking like. These two we gotta check, and or normal, I can't remember what it's called. I haven't watched too many videos lately, I forget. So yeah. Looks like, no, just down. Yeah, we got those 2 babies, there's one in there. Got another one that must be flying around with the rest of them now, because I don't see him anywhere. So yeah, all these mamas are getting back on their nest. He's doing really good. He lets me get pretty close to him without freaking out. So I'm gonna have to pop those guys out of there soon if they don't get out by themselves, so that way they can lay eggs in there again. But yeah, I should I'm gonna have to get a piece of paper and write down how many eggs and babies we have, and we'll see what a flock this big can produce in 1 year or something. So I have to write down all the ones that have already passed away and ones that have grown up, and been trying to keep track with all their putting tags on their feet. So we'll see. Alright guys, till next time. Later.